All right, boys, it's LZ World Tour Day. Supra is ready. She's clean. The tires are aired up. Everything's ready to go. Just got some fuel. So what I'm going to do is, like, you can see the LZ World Tour. There's a whole bunch of channels that are going to be showing it, but I'm going to show you guys what it's like to go to an LZ World Tour with your car in a show and shine. So if any of you want to do it or whatever, this is going to be the experience. So bought a ticket. Discounted ticket, which was really nice once you get approved, and then I also got a grandstand ticket because last time I went to a drift event at Calder I got burnt, so I was like, yeah, let's just get a grandstand ticket. So recommend getting that. Yeah, let's get there. We got to get there earlier than everyone else, obviously, to set up. So let's head in, see what this is like. Yo, this is sick. I haven't seen an event like this here ever. This is dope. Everyone's got their cars out. Oh God, this is awesome. How you doing? Yep. So all those cars you just saw there are for the show and shine, and I am, it's been open for an hour. So show and shine entrance has been open for an hour. So there's an hour's worth of people already, and we still got more coming. This is huge. I have not seen an event this big, especially with these kind of cars. This is dope. So obviously I'm in line for this show and shine, but everyone's like lining up on the road as well, like out here. Oh, it's bad over there, right? And it was like going way back further. But there's a bunch of cars that look like they would be in the show and shine that all of a sudden are just like booting it and just leaving. And I was like, why are they leaving? And I'm like, oh man, it's 8:36, and they said show and shine entrance end at 8:30. So I'm assuming if you aren't in this line by now and you're here for the show and shine, I don't think they're letting you in, which is, I mean, like, you know, they've got to stick to rules, so like that's fair. But I don't know if I'd leave. I feel like I'd just be like, damn, I was late, like that's on me. I'm gonna go park up and just enjoy the event because it looks like it's gonna be sick. Oh, I'm so excited. Nah, scratch that. There's still people coming through. So I don't know why those people are leaving. That's maybe they need to go pool. How you doing? Yep. Do I show you the grandstand ticket as well, or up there?
Do that inside. We're just doing show and shine check-ins. Yeah, so we don't have any wristbands and stuff that you need for that.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, they're in that pocket. Just gonna pop a little sticker on your car just for the parking inside.
Yeah, easy.
And then for entry, we've got your show and shine. So this is like a ticket for you, okay?
Cool.
Keep this one handy because you got the 2-a-day event. So
okay, cool.
You'll need it to get back in for tomorrow as well.
All right, sweet. Thank you. See you in there, boys.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I think they're like putting everyone everywhere. As you can see, there's a section over here, section over here. I was gonna be the front runner, but then the Crown boys came in and sold me spot. Nah, I'm actually stoked they're here because now no one else can park here and I know they won't ding me doors. So that event was massive. The only downfall I can really kind of put to it is, I guess, two. They were turning guys away for the show and shine that did turn up in time. So they made them like line up for like an hour and then were like, oh no, you can't come in with your car. And it was like, what do you mean? So like you'd pull into Calder Park and they'd be like, yep, go left. For show and shine, so then we all went left and lined up, obviously, as I showed you guys, and they got put there, but then like got to the end of the line and got told, yeah, no, you can't come in. So they should have at the first point been like, sorry, we're at capacity, like you've still got your discount tickets, so just park there and come in. Like they did do the whole park there, come in, they still got to come in and everything, but not with their cars, so that was pretty average. And then later in the day there were more cars there, which was really weird, but whatever. And organisation wise, there was a couple little pitfalls, like I had a grandstand pass, I went in and I'm like, hey, do I get my grandstand passes off you, the lady that let me in? And she was like, no, that's someone else. And I was just like, okay. So I got to the grandstand, and they're like, oh no, that's like way back at gate 2. And I was just like, okay, cool. That's ages away. So there was a couple little like, I mean, and it's no like knock on the, you know, Keep It Reap team or LZ team or Drip Games team, any of them. Like, they did an amazing job. And it's just when you're dealing with this many people and this many cars and spectators and all that stuff, you're gonna have things that aren't silky smooth. So that's fine. And it, like, granted, I think I was like what, the second last or third last car that got into the show and shine. So obviously I'd be in a much worse mood if my car didn't get in there, and I would have turned around and left, because I'm not leaving the Supra in a car park like that. But it was sick. Now the bump in, bump out, so when you take your car in, take your car out, they wanted either yesterday night, so Friday night, 5 till 8 p.m, this morning from 7 till 8:30, or tomorrow 7 till 8:30 in the morning if you want to take it in. And then to take it out, they did say, look, we recommend you leave it there overnight, blah blah blah, but if you do want to take it out, you have to wait until the end of the event. Now, the main show and shine was down the drag strip. My car didn't get to that point because there was too many cars. So there was mine and about, let's say 12, 15 others were parked up on the entrance towards the drag strip. Now, that's really convenient for me because I wanted to leave early. It's 3:45 and I'm almost home. So I wanted to see the qualifying. Jimmy Oakes got into the qualifying, LZ got into the qualifying. Who else was it? Obviously Mad Mike got into qualifying because he's a god. But yeah, so the people that got into qualifying, like qualified top 13, did for me. So I was just like, sweet, I'm gonna go home. But yeah, no, it was dope. And then when I went to leave, the people that, like, there was a lot of pedestrians, and they were so like amazing. They just, like, I started the car and they just hopped out of the way, let me through. Everyone just like waited. Everyone was like super polite and just really, like, hats off to everybody, because obviously I'm, you know, inconveniencing people getting in their way to get the car out, but they were all just like waiting around me. I felt like I was in the Fast and Furious, and everyone's just like treading around my car, and I was just like, oh, this is sick. But yeah, everyone's giving thumbs up and stuff, and so it's appreciated. No damage to the car as far as I've seen. You know, I'll obviously check it out when I get home, because I do it after every drive. But yeah, good event, really fun. Show and shine probably should have just let everyone in and made room for them. There was a lot of spots like that they could have just parked more cars. Where I was parked, they could have parked it opposite me, things like that. And I think that would have had less people be upset, because obviously those show and shine people would probably be a little bit miffed. But I wasn't. I had a good time. I got to watch drifting. I got some sick videos. I got to make this video for you guys. A bunch of people got to see the Supra, and maybe I get some subscribers out of that. I don't know. A bunch of photos got taken, Instagram tags, all that sort of fun stuff. So I had a great time. Now I'm going to go home, chill out, enjoy the rest of my weekend. So thank you all for coming along. I appreciate the views, the likes, the comments, the subs, everything. If you're listening to my voice right now, I appreciate you. So thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.